about one. They're all bigger than tennis. What are you talking about? I got some. Tony got some. That's a big one right there.
Your word, ain't it?
Yes. That's a big monster right there, Javon got. I think mine's the second biggest.
Yeah.
He got two. Turn around, show him here, Tony. That's right. Two at one time. Nice. Watch your brother's back. How you doing there, Mr. James? You doing good? You getting it? Oh, you want pliers? Where are the pliers? Hold on. Here, James. Want to try these? You can hold on to the needle and yank. And twist it off.
What? Oh, don't catch it.
Yeah.
You get it?
Alright, you better now?
Yeah.
Just make sure you don't run into my lines on after, don't worry. Just go straight down, you good. Hey! That's big enough, you can tell it's big enough. Two heads, man, two heads. Which bucket is yours, James?
I got another. I got no bucket.
Here.
Put it down, boy.
What's the length on the sea bass? Oh, that's too small. Yeah.
Tell me I'm gonna catch you. You're gonna be sick when I catch you.
I don't know, Terrell. Looks like the youngest Johnson got. You ain't got to throw it. You just got. The youngest Johnson might got some skills.
The youngest Johnson do got some skills.
I know.
They been fishing with us since when?
That's mine.
Nah, that's
yours again?
Yeah. That's the work alarm. I don't mess around. You don't know how to turn that off?